Streaming devices offer impressive streaming content based on video, music, movies, and much more. With the help of this small device plugged into your TV set, you'll be able to access such content instantly. Best TV streaming devices in 2023. Fire TV. Fire TV Stick comes with all the essentials you need to set up and start watching with ease. Jump between films, live news, sports, and must-see series with quick app starts and fast streaming in full HD. Key features of Fire TV. Supports full HD videos. Comes with 8 GB of storage memory. Includes HDMI cable support. Features a fast processing unit. Has a separate remote function. Roku. Roku is one of the most reliable brands for streaming services on multiple platforms. Roku Streaming Stick is definitely one thing that makes most of us purchase the product immediately. It has an impressive performance and display resolution that supports 4K streaming. Key features of Roku. Supports both HD and 4K. Comes with improved picture quality. Has automatic software updates. Configure with voice assistance. Sits behind the TV set. Google Chromecast. Google has turned out to be a tough competitor for manufacturing streaming services, and the Google Chromecast streaming device with HDMI cable seems to be a top choice. This product lives up to the expectations and makes out an amazing choice. Key features of Google Chromecast. Easy to set up. Simple configuration to Wi-Fi network. Comes with an available HDMI port. Allows the mirroring of your laptop. Just plug it in. Apple TV. The 2021 Apple TV HD represents an impressive collection of streaming services. The streaming device is a lightweight product that includes a compact body as well. You can place the stick at the back of your TV and it sits perfectly. Key features of Apple TV. Offers high-quality video. Comes with the Apple A8 chip. It features the new Siri remote. Has a touch-enabled click pad. Allows you to have great gameplay. Nvidia Shield. Nvidia Shield Android TV Pro 4K HDR streaming media player is one product that has marked its importance the most. It comes with Dolby Vision support, which has a 40 times brighter display. It also comes with better display settings and adjustments. Key features of Nvidia Shield. Comes with voice control. Has Dolby Vision support. The device has 4K HD content. You can get game controller support. It comes with 2 USB 3.0 ports. Fire TV Cube. Fire TV Cube has a simple interface and quick browsing ability. It has a simple plug-and-play configuration and does not take any time to install the drivers. With the help of privacy protection, you can keep your data secure with connected apps. Key features Fire TV Cube. Supports Dolby Atmos audio. Comes with dual antenna Wi-Fi. It comes with micro USB support. Now TV. Now TV Smart Stick now comprises a complete range of applications and interfaces. Media streaming devices have a lot of apps included, allowing you to get quick browsing of content. You can use these Wi-Fi options to come up with hotels and other options. Key features of Now TV. Comes with a voice search. Has extra app options. Connect to your phone for streaming.